Now I have to admit that I'm a fan of Kreg's Multi-Mark tool. However, I do not use the built-in level feature at all, and using the 3/16 7-inch lip for marking trim reveals, I have not. I've also found that there is too much play to use it as a square and for marking 45-degree miters, so I don't use it for that either. I pretty much use the Multi-Mark for its most basic functions, and I'm okay with that. Now I may or may have not broken a few of these by dropping them on the floor, but if I did, I would have kept the knob, the 2 brass inserts, and the ruler. So for this video, I'm going to reuse the ruler along with a rule stop to make another marking gauge for my shop. I bought a 2-pack of these off Amazon for around $12, link down below, and at that price point, they don't look half bad. The anodized aluminum looks good, and the brass knobs work as they should. These rule stops can accept rules that are 1 inch wide, and lucky for me, that's what the Multi-Mark rule is. After I locked a rule stop in at the 2-inch mark, I scribed the line on a scrap piece of plywood using a pencil with 0.9mm lead. Very precise and scientific. And exciting, I know. After that was all said and done, I set one of my Multi-Marks to 2 inches and scribed another line going towards the line I previously scribed, just so I could see if they would meet. And they did. Well, at least close enough for me. You can also use both stops at the same time on the same ruler. I locked in one at 1 inch and the other at a 1/2 inch. Then I scribed a few lines. To be honest, I can see this being more useful with a longer ruler, but as you can see here, I was pleased with the results I got. And on that note, I'm going to call this video done. If you haven't already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, please feel free to leave those below and I will address them when I can. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and have a good one.